Hello, today I'm in Jeep Cherokee. In this video I'll show you how to use cruise control. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the cruise control panel. Firstly, accelerate to desired speed and now press on/off button. Now when the cruise control is enabled, press set button, then you can let acceleration pedal go. Here we've got the resume, acceleration, cancel and deceleration. Press acceleration to increase the speed, press deceleration to decrease the speed, press cancel to pause and resume to unpause. To disable cruise control, press on/off button. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.